What's up everybody, Pete with Auto Repair Tips. In this video, I'm working on a 16 Nissan Altima. Customer's complaint is he's driving along and the car wants to fluctuate, like the RPMs go up and down, it's a little sluggish. But here's the kicker. He said when he's driving along and it happens, when he gets out of the car and turns it off, the brake lights stay on. And now I'm not sure if that's just coincidental or that's part of the problem. But in this video, we're going to try to find out. Let's get into it. So let's go for a test drive and let's see, can I duplicate this problem? All right, let me turn the AC off so I can kind of All right. Sluggish about that, but he sounds like he's got wheel bearing problems, like a helicopter's chasing me or something. Okay, let's go from a standstill. Low fuel, of course. It's not sluggish at all though. Let me cut the AC on. Maybe it's under a load. All right, I'm gonna take this thing up on the interstate and try to hit about maybe 60 to 80 miles an hour, and let's see what it does then. So far I've been driving for, I don't know, a good 5-10 minutes between 60 and 80 miles an hour, and I haven't seen any indications of sluggishness or anything. What I'm probably going to do is go ahead and bring it back, throw it on the scanner. Let me see if there are any history codes in it, or maybe a pending code, something that could be a problem. So let's get this thing back to the shop and let me get a scanner on it. Let's go into scanners. I did a system check on it, and what I came up with so far is the only thing I see, like we had a couple of history codes in a body control module, and the intelligent power distribution module, that's got a code in it. It's a U1000. I'll look at that in a minute. But going down here, I don't see anything at all. So let's go in here and take a look and see what this. All right, so looking at this, at about 50,000 miles, the top repair, and then it goes away, is replace the instrument cluster. And from, let's say, maybe about 75,000 to 170,000 is replace the fuel pump. Let's go in smart data and take a look at that. See what that tells me. If anything was to happen down here, a red flag would pop up when it goes bad, but I don't see anything. Everything looks pretty good on this screen. Let's go back, exit out. So I'm not sure what point that the battery went dead on the camera, again on me, but when I called up tech support to check on the real-time fixes, it came up with this: vehicle specific data is unavailable. And what tech support told me is that there just wasn't enough information on that to have any input. But looking at this right here, like I said, this orange line here, the fuel pump fixed it 4 times. So what I'm probably going to do is I'm going to pop the fuse panel underneath the hood, find the fuel pump fuse, and we're going to check the commutators in the fuel pump just to make sure they're all reading correctly. So I just recently upgraded to the Zeus Plus. I like it a lot, actually. One of the good things I like about it is I can go straight from the scanner to repair information to schematics on this one computer without having to go to stop to go to my laptop or go to my office every single time. Makes it a lot easier. So let's go back to here. What I'm doing now is I'm looking up the fuel pump fuse location, and we'll get the scope hooked to it, and we'll check out the commutators and make sure they look good. Internet's slow today. Now they're working on the roads and the power lines. That's probably my problem. So we finally got the internet situation straight. And remember me telling you the customer earlier was talking about the brake lights were staying on and he had lack of power? Well, come to find out, when I got the internet straight, I came back and did some more research on this thing. From the 2013 to the 2016, the Altima, low power plus stop lamp staying on. And I was like, hold on a second, this is crazy. So I called him up and was talking to him, and what's going on is intermittently there's low power when acceleration and the stop lamps are staying on after releasing the brake pedal with the key on or off, and that is exactly what's going on with him. So check this out. In order to fix the problem, you have to remove the stop lamp relay right here. You're going to pop out the connector to it. You're going to cut the red and the white wire. You're going to fuse them together, just like this. Then you're going to cut the other two wires. And you're going to buy this brake switch from the dealer. Put it back together, and that's going to clear your problem. Now, one thing to keep in mind, depending on some of the vehicles, they said some of these are under warranty. So before you tackle the repairs yourself, check with your dealer, give them your VIN number if you have that problem, and see if there's a warranty on it, and they'll maybe take care of it for free. All right, that's it for this video. I appreciate you watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Catch you later.